I tried both. Here's what actually matters. Today we're comparing Claude Code and Cursor AI. Both tools help you write and understand code using AI, but they work in very different ways. Let's start with Claude Code. Claude is known for its strong reasoning and long context. It's great for understanding large code bases, explaining logic, and helping with complex problems. You mostly use it through chat. Now, Cursor AI. Cursor is built directly into a code editor. It lets you edit files, write code, and refactor entire projects using AI. It feels like coding with an AI partner. Here's the main difference. Claude is better for thinking and explaining. Cursor is better for actually building and editing code. Looking at features, Claude offers deep explanations, debugging help, and long context understanding. Cursor offers real time editing, file level changes, and direct coding workflows. In terms of workflow, Claude is more like asking an expert for help. Cursor is like having AI inside your editor doing the work with you. Now, pricing, both have free and paid options depending on usage. Costs increase based on how much you use AI features. So, Claude is better for understanding and problem solving. Cursor is better for writing and editing code faster. So, which one should you choose? Choose Claude if you want better explanations and reasoning. Choose Cursor if you want faster hands on coding. Both are powerful, it depends on how you work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.